In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best chainsaw in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which chainsaw is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, SALEM Master Gas Chainsaw. High-performance SALEM Master 62 cubic centimeters 3.4 horsepower powerful gas chainsaw supplies steady power to the 20-inch bar as well as a low kickback chain. The engine rate can be up to 8,500 RPM. Ideal tool for reducing firewood and also felling trees with much greater efficiency. Superior high-quality professional gas chainsaw, equipped with premium quality chain as well as high firmness bar, quickly reducing, a lot more resilient and high wear resistance, difficult to drop chain, having a much longer utilizing life. Automobile oiler chainsaw with automatic oil supply system provides a stable supply of bar and chain oil for secure and also reliable use, and expands the life of the power saw. Ergonomic style. The comfy take care of the design, non-slip as well as shock absorbing, hard to exhaustion for lasting use, making this chainsaw well balanced, maneuverable, and comfy to operate, use even more safely. High safety. The quick quit chain brake aids to use more firmly. The chainsaw is supplied with a safety and security button to shield against unintended beginnings to guarantee the safety and security of the user. SALEM Master Gas Chainsaws includes an automated oiler supply system, providing a steady supply of bar as well as chain oil for secure and also efficient use. This will help prolong the making use of life of your chainsaw. Here is the item number 4, WEMARS Power Gas Chainsaws. High performance, WEMARS 62 cubic centimeters 20-inch powerful gas chainsaw with overview bar and chain for reducing timber that needs a longer bar. 2-stroke electric motors with an integrated chain brake for safety and security, as well as steady while running. Reduced kickback safety features and an exceptional electronic ignition system can minimize the threat during the procedure. Tension change. The rugged 20-inch steel chainsaw knob-type automatic tightening function is a side-adjustable chain that is simple to operate and also preserve while delivering the highest reducing efficiency. Practical layout. The combination of ergonomic front and also back anti-vibration deals with supported wrap manages, and also well-balanced design make the fuel chainsaw easy to use as well as comfy to operate. Power saws suitable overcome tree felling, wood reducing for lumberjacks in the woodland or various other usages. System functions. WEMARS 20-inch bar gas-powered chainsaw is equipped with a filter system to guarantee a lengthy air filter life. The automated lubrication system decreases the danger of wear as well as damage to the starter mechanism and also lengthens using life. Effortless pull beginning system. Begin faster, higher integrity. Air filter. The quick-release air filter promotes simple cleansing and also replacement of the air filter, as well as the high-performance, significant power direct air injection carburetor decreases discharge levels and gas consumption. The item number 3, CRAFTSMAN Volt 20 Cordless Chainsaw. Part of the Volt 20 Cordless system. Part of the VersaTrack Wall Surface Organization System. Chain pitch 3 or 8 inch. High ability 4. 0 battery pack 4 expanded runtime. Bubble degree 4 precise and also degree cutting auto oiling with device free tensioning for marginal maintenance. 12 inches portable layout for cutting in little areas. Includes battery and also a battery charger. Replacement components available: chain CMZ CSC12, bar CMZ CSB12. The CRAFTSMAN Volt 20 Volt MAX 12-inch cordless compact chainsaw includes a 20-volt motor for effective performance. The chainsaw is sustained by a high-performance 4.0 lithium-ion battery, providing long runtime and also compatibility across various other Volt 20 CRAFTSMAN devices. The portable chainsaw features a compact style for cutting in tiny rooms, a bubble level for specific level cutting, as well as automobile oiling in addition to device complementary tensioning for marginal upkeep. Part of the VersaTrack Wall Surface Organization System. Number 2 in our list, BLACK+DECKER 20-volt MAX Cordless. Tool cost-free blade tension system for improved ease of use and fast changes. The lightweight style for convenience of the ability to move and minimize tiredness. Boosted oiling system with a clear window to evaluate oil level. You take pleasure in doing work around your home, inside and out. When you see that of your trees has a branch that looks like it is going to fall, you take matters right into your own hands. Ordering the Black and also Decker 20-volt MAX Cordless Chainsaw, you know that you'll have this dealt with in the blink of an eye. The 10-inch premium Oregon reduced kickback bar and chain supplies smooth and quick cuts. The 20-volt MAX Lithium 2.0 a battery charger will charge the battery in 5 hours, giving hours of use. The wraparound bundle deal with supplies raised control and comfort. Look to this 10-inch cordless chainsaw package to aid you to cut through thick tree branches, logs, as well as more. Its low kickback layout, as well as tool-free chain tensioning system, indicate you'll be making smooth, fast cuts without needing additional tools for chain modifications. This battery-operated chainsaw is likewise outfitted with an integrated oiling system to keep the bench, as well as chain, lubed, and a wraparound bale deal with to maintain you comfortable. The top one in our list, Greenworks 40-volt Brushless Cordless. Our Greenworks brushless motor supplies your Greenworks tool with longer runtime, even more torque as well as even more power. This brings about less deterioration, extending the lifetime of the device. Compatible with Greenworks G-Max 40-volt Li-ion system offering a series of devices to choose from, run time up to 90 cuts. Brushless motor delivers up to 30% even more torque for the greatest cutting efficiency. Oil storage tank, clear. Brushless electric motor design provides 70% much less vibration for individual comfort while functioning. One battery powers greater than 25 devices. Battery capacity 2 Chain brake and reduced kickback chain for increased customer security. Electronic chain brake protects against unintended kickbacks. Saw pitch, 0.375 inches. We are taking our lithium-ion innovation to the following degree, and also offering you the gas-similar different power saw remedy you have been seeking with up to 30% even more torque as well as up to 70% much less vibration than gas-powered power saws. The excellent chainsaw for customers of all experience, whether it is your first time or a veteran. This power saw includes a sturdy Oregon bar and also chain, 0.375 chain pitch, chain brake, metal throwing spikes as well as an automatic oiler to make this easy to use while supplying the high performance needed to obtain your backyard job done rapidly as well as effectively. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best chainsaw amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.